Hi everyone, Enat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today it is time for another paper perk, and we are going to make another floating pocket. I really like the ones that we did last time. So today I have another design for you, and it really looks pretty. It has also some fussy cutting, a rose and the butterfly, and I'm going to show you how to make it in just a second. Of course, there is also the insert that will go in here, the journaling card. And if you don't know what paper perks are, these are free printables for junk journals, scrapbook pages, mini albums, whatever you want. You can go ahead and download them for free. There is a link in the description under the video. Go ahead and click on Paper Perk Facebook group and you can find it there. If you're not on Facebook, you can go to Ko-fi, and you can also find the printables on Ko-fi. I have another printable for our Ko-fi supporters, and this printable is another floating pocket. The design is a little bit different here, and the flowers and the butterflies are a little bit different, and of course it's a different color scheme altogether, so you will have an option between the two. So if you want to be a Ko-fi supporters, go ahead to Ko-fi. There is a link in the description under the video, and then you can get your extra paper perk page. So I'm going to cut this and be back. Okay, so I have cut everything, and first let's make the pocket. So what I want to do is score. Can do it on my scoreboard or just on the table. So I'm going to score here, and then where this ends here, I'm going to score that in the middle, so we'll have the fold line to create our pocket. So basically, we're going to fold these, and these are going to be the flaps for the pocket, and then like that, and we're going to fold these and glue this down and have a floating pocket. So let's do that. So that's pretty easy. And I want to ink all the edges. And actually I should have done it before, but it's fine, we can do it now too. Okay, so now we have our journaling card. And you can attach another paper on the back of the card or not. It's up to you. It fits perfectly in here. And on the front, I want to make a little pocket with a little postcard that we have. Of course, you can have whatever design that you want, but I think it's really cool to have a pocket on a pocket. So we're going to apply glue on the sides and on the bottom, and I'm just going to diagonally place it, and then about the fussy cutting, just want to say that you can cut it like I did, completely all the way to the shape, or if you want, you can leave a little white margin around the image. So it's up to you how you want to cut it. So I'm just going to add glue here on the stem and then add it like this. Let's add it. That looks nice. And of course it depends on what you're going to do with your floating pocket. If you want, you can attach the butterfly with some foam tape to create extra dimension. This is kind of big. Let's make it smaller. And then you can just attach it with regular glue if you want. It's up to you and what you're going to do. If you have a lot of room in your journaling, junk journal or scrapbook or something, then you can add it with foam tape. But if you don't have a lot of room, you can just attach it with a regular glue. So I'm just going to add this little bit of stained paper. Remember, there's a pocket here. This is completely not straight. Again, ink the edges. Have a little tiny journaling card in a pocket inside a pocket. Isn't that cool? You can of course add more cards in here. You have enough space. So, and if you want, you can leave this unglued and insert it under the rose. So I really hope you like this paper perk. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. And you can make all the projects and follow all the tutorials. Go to the Paper Perk Facebook group. There's a link in the description under the video to download this printable, and go to Ko-fi to get your extra page. Again, there is a link in the description under the video. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.